I've talked about Firedragon a couple times before. First video I did on it really touched as a general overview of it, about what I liked about it and using it as a daily driver. Last time it was when they switched from being a fork of LibreWolf to being a fork of Florp. Or, I guess, what some people would call the Vivaldi of Firefoxes. Or even Edgified Firefox, I've seen in the comments. But what's really cool is, well, it offers a lot of customization, obviously, but it's basically been limited to Arch-based distros for quite a while. And so you're forced to either install via AUR, go to chaotic AUR, and in some cases, depending on the distro you're running that's Arch-based, it would be installing a separate repo that isn't chaotic AUR necessarily. Then you had Nix doing their own packaging, and so it kind of, I guess, became official. So you could install it through Nix, but now, in the last few weeks, Firedragon is available via Flatpak on FlatHub, and as an app image on the releases. So you can now go and download Firedragon as an app image onto any distro that you want, or if you're using Flatpak like most people are by now, you can install Firedragon as a Flatpak. What this also means is now Firedragon is available for the Steam Deck, which means that you can remove Firefox. It's still going to leave the link to install Firefox in the menu for some reason, which I kind of hate. But you can install Firedragon instead and have Garuda's servers and all for search, for Google, Circs, and whatnot by default. And I find it really cool that for quite a while it was kind of limited to Arch-based distros, being as Garuda's a Arch-based distro itself. But now with a Flatpak being available, you've got more options that you can install this from. So for a lot of people, they were either forced to probably download the binary tarball or compile from source code, but now you've got the app image as an option that you can use. And I kind of appreciate it because now you have even more choices for what you use. So now rather than just going with Florp, you can use Firedragon and have the cool dragon theme in your browser and have all the features that go along with it that Garuda has put into it, like having Garuda search implemented from the get-go straight out of the box. Now, what's really interesting is with some of the tweaks that they do for Firedragon on top of Florp, is they've got a couple different hardening configurations that they make. And so it's resulted in some interesting things that happened in one of the recent updates. So if you have had, some people have reported having troubles watching YouTube and a couple other things in Firedragon. And for because for whatever reason, it said that Firedragon was insecure. You have WebGL disabled, you have WebRTC enabled. In order to keep Google from telling you that your browser's insecure, all you do is you come over here and you make sure that this handy checkbox is checked, enable strong protection against fingerprinting, and all of a sudden, you're good to go. YouTube works just fine, just from checking this one box here. So, Firedragon is now available as both an app image and as a Flatpak package. So now you can enjoy Firedragon on any distro that you're on, as long as you're willing to install Flatpaks, of course. So I could literally go, do I want to go through here? Maybe I go through here. So I go whonk, and I can go paste. And see, now I've got these cool options. I'm not going to do that because I already have multiple instances of this installed. But yeah, then whenever you do a Flatpak update, it'll just come up and it'll update with everything else as you do that. Or if you're in the Discover store, you can find it in Discover and it's right there because it's on FlatHub. Enjoy your Firedragons on whatever platform you happen to be using. And remember, Florp isn't too far away, but Firedragon is really cooler. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.